You are in a job interview and the questions start with, "Tell me about a time. Have you ever?" or "Share an example." This is how behavioral questions start in an interview, but how to answer them clearly and to the point. Hey friends, we are HR Uncoded, two HR executives with a multi-decade experience in human resources, business, C-level leadership and self-development. And in this video, we are going to show you how to answer behavioral questions in a job interview and how to prepare for them. In almost every job interview, you are confronted with a couple of behavioral questions. These questions test you, for example, concerning your leadership style, how you communicate and solve problems. But also, it lets the interviewer predict how you might interact in the future. From experience, we know that the so-called STAR method offers the best benefits when it comes to answering these kinds of questions. And here's the reason why. You show how you think and answer in a clear structure. You have a concept which gives yourself orientation, and even uncommon or unknown questions can be answered in this clear structure. And now comes the best benefit. You can train them. So let's start. STAR is an abbreviation for situation, task, action, and result. To answer the question, first you describe the situation you were in. Not in a very deep detail, but right enough so that the interviewer is able to understand the context. After that, you talk briefly about the problem, the task, your challenge. Then comes the main part, the actions you personally took. Here you can put some more detail into answering the question by also adding, for example, some skills of yours. And finally, you give the results of the actions you took. Add some quantifiable aspects to add some color to your answer, if you can. Practice and train common behavioral questions. We suggest you do this loudly and even in front of others, like a dress rehearsal. Include facts and figures, give relevant context. And if you want to know how to identify these questions, they start with, for example, "Tell me about a time" or "Explain a situation." And they all have in common that they can be answered with a specific leadership situation or a business challenge. To answer behavioral questions, it's beneficial to recall not only your accomplishments, but also your performance reviews, your last 360s reviews, if you have that. And you should be aware of your strengths, but also your weaknesses. Keep your answers short and to the point, and from our experience, way under 2 minutes. And as a bonus, if there was, for a very specific situation, a big learning, you can add it in 1 or maximum 2 sentences and say when you use this learning. This shows that you are very self-reflected and want to grow. And here's our call to action, like always. First, look at the 5 behavioral questions in the video description. Second, to have the best training effect, answer at a bare minimum these 5 questions in writing. Third, train them loudly, best with a friend. Fourth, stop your time for the answers to train to answer short and to the point. Fifth, if you are preparing for a specific job interview, look at the job description and anticipate behavioral questions. And sixth, keep on training. Short, master the STAR method to be a star in your interview. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video valuable, please give us a thumbs up or comment in the comment section. For more videos on HR, business, transformation, C-level leadership, and self-development, please follow us, your friends from HR Uncoded.